Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
So, I gathered you here to get your insights on how to boost our company's production. Any idea, Miss Carino?
Sir, how about i-boost natin yung engagement natin sa social media since nakatutok naman yung mga audiences natin in this platform? Or pwede naman kumuha tayo ng mga celebrities or influencers na pwede makabenefit sa company natin para makuha natin yung goals natin sa production ng company.
Okay, Miss Sabrina.
Sir, addition, like na sinabi ni Nia, mas mabuboost natin yung company natin if sa social media platforms tayo mag-release. So, what if ang gawin natin is magbigay tayo ng profit 20%, di ba? Ang ibang family is nagbo-book sila through social media. Mas marami silang na kukuhang information. For example, magbo-book sila. So, hindi lang naman isang tao yon, kasama yung family na. So, mas mabuboost natin yon if ipapakalat natin, i-promote natin.
Thank you. Yes, Miss Branzuela.
Well, sir, sinabi na nga po nila na mag-set ng goals. So, how about we create new products na din? Para, alam nyo yun, ma-engganyo din sila sa pag-ano po natin sa social media.
Thank you for sharing your ideas.
Sir, here's your coffee po.
Thank you, Miss Carino.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning once again. So, Miss Branzuela, right?
Yes, sir.
So, tell me about your past jobs.
Well, sir, I was an office worker before.
So, Miss Sabrina, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your past job.
I am factory worker before, sir.
Your family.
Yes.
Based on our qualification needs, Miss Branzuela is more qualified. Miss Sabrina, sorry. And I believe na for the past 4 years or days or month, makakahanap ka rin ng mas better for your skills. Again, congratulations.
Well, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Miss Branzuela. And you're now qualified.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Tawagan nga muna si Roxanne.
Yes?
Hello, Rox?
Yes?
Uy, girl! May sasabihin ako sa'yo. Ano kasi? Pwede ba kayo may favor?
Sure.
Ano mag-interview kasi ako dyan sa work mo. So, baka naman, alam mo na.
No problem.
Totoo ba? Uy, thank you Alam mo na, malakas ka dyan. Baka naman. Sige, sige. Punta ako. Bye-bye. Thank you. Love you.
Hi, ma'am. Hello. May next applicant kasi. Pwede po ba ikaw muna yung maghala sa kanya?
Sure, let's see if she's qualified in this job.
Thank you po.
Mr. Season, pakitawag na next applicant, please.
Next applicant.
Good morning po. Good morning.
Good morning po. Excuse me po. Can I ask something po? Nasaan po si Miss Roxanne Branzuela?
Oh, I'm so sorry, but Miss Francella is not available right now since she called by our boss.
Okay, thank you po.
I'm so sorry, Miss Sembrino, but you didn't meet our standards, so I think you're not suitable for this job.
Are you sure, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you po. I understand. Uy, Miss! Alam mo ba? Chika-chika dito today. Napaka-unfair daw naman sa treatment dito Ay, oo. Nabili na ako lagi niyan. Kalat na hindi niya ata alam. Parang naman ang treatment niya. I mean, parang hindi fair. Sa iba, diba? Totoo.
Excuse me.
Totoo. Good morning po.
You know, I've heard a lot of that. I'm really sorry if nafe-feel nyo or nararamdaman nyo yung mga ganong treatment. It's just that it's our policy sa company natin.
Sorry po, ma'am.
Sorry po, ma'am. I understand. Sorry.
Hi, ma'am! Ako na ako yung saya ko sa inyo, ha? Kanina, yun, kinaiba ako kanina sa gawas. And the way you siya. Hindi ka namin maintindihan. Talaga.
Kanang, gwapo ba? Gwapo, naiba ako.
Ah!
Kanang,
Be, ano ba yung tagalogin mo nga ba yung handsome?
Sabi mo, pogi siya.
Grabe pagka-Muslim mo, be, talang dalawa.
oh, tas,
Ops! Huwag kang magbibisaya, hindi ka namin maintindihan. Pero kaya bisaya ka, love ko ba rin ka? At ikaw, kahit naman lamon ka ng lamon ng... Ay, hindi ka pala lumalaki ng baboy. So, siya naman sasabi mo dito, di kumakain ng baboy. Muslim daw.
Okay lang yan. Tanggapin natin yung culture nila.
Ayan, baka tama.
bawal ang bag, pero pwede naman ang kape.
Coffee lover!
Pero naiba ang galing na. Bisaya ka na naman. Pero kahit ganyan, yun lang naman ba? Yes! Talaga, isa tayo.
Tara.
Okay. Everyone in the workplace should be treated with
Respect,
fairness,
integrity,
And responsibility.